So first of all, before we go ahead, what is HTML? Now, HTML is an acronym for Hypertext Markup Language. This is the language that for structuring content on the web. Any content that will show on the browser has to be put in a HTML format. Yeah, so even for advanced languages like React and all of that, they still have to convert it down to HTML at the end of the day. So HTML is the core. It is for laying the structures and structuring content on the web generally. It practically defines the building blocks, right? So things like heading, paragraphs, images, links of a web page, HTML is in charge of that. We define all of those things for you. So this is part of what you'll be learning here: how to add headers, how to add paragraphs, links, images, and what have you, even lists. What we're going to do in this video is to show you the basic structure of HTML. So I've just brought in a block of HTML code to show you the structure of HTML, and on this side you have what I'm coding here, the result to be showing here. This is basically what is a typical HTML page looks like. In the next video, I'm going to be explaining everything here step by step. You don't have to confuse yourself. Just copy this code right like this, or pause the video and type it out exactly the same way into your text editor, right? And it's going to just show this. And in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how we came about all this, what all of these things mean. For now, click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to be notified if you got any values from this video.